How do you feel, bro? How was last night, man? Happy St. Patrick's Day weekend to you guys, bro. How do you feel, dog?
Dude,
look at the fucking hair, man.
I got like 3 hours of sleep.
Hey, but he's here, man.
I'm still here.
Now we gotta run inside, bro. Ask him what he did last night, bro.
Dude, I almost fornicated with a female last night.
Are you sure it was a female?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. I think so.
Hey, but the shots were in, bro. I don't know if it was...
Where'd you guys go?
McHenry, dude.
What the hell?
Yeah, we went to McHenry, dude. There's a whole bar crawl and everything.
Oh, yesterday was St. Patty's Day. Bro, I'm 31. I forget that there's shit going on.
You're 31?
Huh?
You're 31?
Yeah, bro.
I was shocked when he told me that, too.
I'm up there.
Those are some nice fucking boots there, mate. Holy shit. Dude, I don't want a drunk stick right now.
All right, boys, lock in.
Lock in, guys. Come on, man. What, baby? Oh, whoa.
Oh, my God, he threw it back there.
Oh, my God.
Why are you gay?
Bag shot Sunday.
Back shot Sundays.
I didn't know how to handle it.
Come on. Too much recoil.
All right, dude. Passele aqui, dude.
Ah, shit.
I like your jersey, bro. It looks good, man. Looks good. I'm already out of breath, dude.
Look at John. If we started playing at the right time. Hey, what kind of Hey, John. Thanks for being on time, bro.
Dude, what's up, gang?
What up, bro?
Dude,
Put the cameras, bro.
No, fuck off, bro. Cut the cameras. I said my touch feels decent today.
Yeah?
I might throw up if I play,
I
but
think you would throw up, yeah.
I could do it.
Something for me then.
No. Hell nah. I could have saved that, dude. I'm scared, bro. Dude, I'm way too hungover for this shit. Dude, you're so stupid, bro. Dang. No, dude, fuck. Shit.
Hooray!
Oh, shit. This fucking guy. Bro, is that it?
No, that's not it. That's not it.
What happened?
The ref just didn't show up. He didn't show up, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Did you see it?
I didn't see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah, dude, let me see that.
Look.
Yeah, let me see it. What a night.
Dude, bring the ice real quick.
I don't think you want that.
I'm not that kind of...
you don't want that. I was gonna say, you might be wearing the wrong thing for that, dude. Brother, your car's making some noise, dude.
What up, chulos y chulas?
Chulos y chulos.
Dude, you guys
You got the ice on deck.
Look what came in.
Oh, fuck.
And,
What is that? .9% alcohol by volume.
something like that.
Thank God for TÓXICOS. I like that. That's probably gonna be my favorite.
Hey, you!
Yeah.
The reason I'm doing this,
Yeah.
my dumbass forgot my shin guards.
Yeah.
So,
What else did you forget? Sus zapatos?
should I play in the dunks, guys?
Nah.
So, shout out Chicos, TÓXICOS, but it's gonna become a shin guard.
Dude, you're gonna be hurting tomorrow if these guys play hard.
Nah,
I mean, yeah, the shin guards you play with aren't anything
yeah,
anyway.
I'm kind of used to getting hit.
Dude, I wonder what happened to this guy's car. Someone got mad. Mango must have fucking got a hold of him, dude.
Oh, shit, Mango. Bro, look at the drip, man.
Yeah, you look
Happy
pretty good,
Easter,
dude.
boy.
Yeah, happy Easter, happy Mexico.
What?
so dumb, bro.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I know, I understand.
Dude, how was your night last night, man?
Dude, I
Tell the people
don't
what
want
you
to
did.
tell. I don't want
Oh,
to tell
you
anyone anything. I just want to move past what happened last night and live life like Larry the Cable Guy every now and again.
Do they know who Larry the Cable Guy is?
He can't. Yeah, we could put a picture of him.
I don't even know who Larry the Cable Guy is.
Dude, it's Mater, dude. From Cars. That's Mater. That's Larry the Cable Guy.
Really?
Yeah.
That guy's a legend. All right, boys. Well,
This flavor is ass.
by the way, dude, that shit. Like, why does it taste like it has alcohol in it without having alcohol? Right?
Dude,
Like,
it tastes like fucking TV static, dude. Talk to me or don't talk to me at all.
dude, I feel good right now. Went to church in the morning. Check.
Okay.
And now I think we're here. We're good. Let's warm up a little bit. Let's try to run. Might play goalie. Mango doesn't feel good to play goalie. I'll play goalie.
Sure.
And let's just have a good time, man.
Happy Easter, guys.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say, man. Oh.
Glory to God.
Dude, shout out La Virgencita, man.
Yeah, that too.
Jesus, shout out, obviously, man. Shout out to the man above.
These are
Sacrifice
people.
himself from us, bro.
Nah.
No, that's, I don't know who that is.
I don't either. They were looking at us like they wanted to have so.
Shout out God, man.
Shout out God.
Today is God's day, man.
God's day. Thank you, Jesus, for everything you do.
Amen.
All right, we'll catch you guys when everyone else gets here.
See you.
Why?
¿Tienen espinillas? Look what I'm gonna use them.
16.
Oh, you tried them?
I have one in the car.
Did you try it?
If we win.
Yeah.
If we win.
Give me the best flavor though.
I don't know which the best. I haven't
Yeah, we
tried
just
one.
got them in, bro.
That's the one I
Are
was
they
trying.
cold or not?
They will be. We got ice.
Hey, I got some.
Holy shit. These are not shit. These are not shin guards, bro. Dude, can you show the people? People think I'm hungover. Do I look hungover?
Yeah, dude. It's alright.
I'm rinsed.
Sometimes you gotta live a little. Hey, como era de Pascua, me tenía que vestir nice, right?
Yeah.
So me puse la camisa más chula que tengo en el closet, bro.
You're gonna have to change the number.
Who's that? Lamin Yamal, dude. He sucks.
Nah, bro, they didn't have a messy one.
your mom was cooking yesterday? Oh,
Nah, it's not a messy shirt though. I wish it was.
in the world. Oh my god.
Ese es Leo, G. Ese es Leo.
Have you guys heard about Vinicius Jr.?
Look, we're thinking the same thing.
Ah, dude. Did you guys dress nice for Easter or what, bro?
I got the best midfielder in the world.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pedri?
Pedri? Alright, I'll give him that.
Alright.
I'll give him that.
Esta camisa también está chula, bro. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Ah, perro.
What?
¿Esta de qué año es? ¿Y esta?
This year.
¿Y esa?
What number do you
Last year, 2 years?
¿Hace 6 años no esa?
Huh?
What number?
Ey, ¿tienes el mismo número en el shoulder?
6.
¿5 y ese?
No mames,
No
comparado.
sube, güey.
Ni así, güey. My jersey's old and yours is a new one, but it's still the same number.
¿Pero dice robados o no dice cuántas robadas?
A ver,
Okay.
Can we see? Can the chat see what we're talking about?
They're
here?
making fun of our Champions League.
Oh.
But it doesn't include how many were robbed.
Get away from me, dude.
Allá en Liza.
Can you stretch me out?
You want me to stretch you out? I would go with your hips, side to sides, fucking.
Hurry up!
And get these bitches going.
30 seconds late.
God damn.
I brought an even more beautiful shirt.
Hey,
I brought a better shirt. What? The Barca.
hey, I was trying to get game like yours, dude. Was it good?
It was good. It was decent.
It's good. It's a good shot.
Oh, fuck, mango.
Oh, I got him.
For real?
My nuts.
No way.
Told me asking for socks, so I forgot your shoes.
You want to use mine?
Yeah, fuck it. What? I'm gonna slip in these too, man.
You'll be alright.
I know this whole fuck. How do you not have Nikes?
Are you sure?
Does anybody have a pair of shoes?
Brother, I'm.
Cleats. Anybody?
I just have cleats. Where are yours, Robert?
He forgot his, but
You
he
got 'em at
asked
the
me,
crib.
then you called me asking for fucking. I'm gonna go goalie.
Let me use yours then. ¿Y tú usas
You're gonna
este?
sleep with these more.
Pero
You're gonna hate these.
at least they're soccer ones, man. What size are you? 9.5?
They're 9.
Fuck
These are
it.
9.
We're gonna have to wait.
Nate.
¿Cómo vas a poder correr?
I'm gonna fuck up my passes.
Me too. Pasa ya, yo, güey. Thanks, Mango.
You want to use these? They're 10.5s. You said what?
I'm not gonna fit in.
What a dick, dude. Ah, these fit me good. They're his boots, bro.
I don't want to play.
We were supposed to remember when the
I don't want to play.
Huh?
I don't want to play.
You don't want to say?
Who's this sexy guy? God
Hey,
damn.
Andres, you got extra shoes?
Holy fuck.
You have extra?
You have extra shoes?
No, bro. You should have told me. Hey, nomás te dije de levanta. What happened with mangoes?
¿No me trajo?
Pero ahí traes unos. Niggas don't play.
What's up, baby? Good to see you.
He doesn't have a pair of fucking socks. Wait, is he using yours? Yeah. He's in Mexico.
Oh my.
Robert, you got back. Mira, ey. Sácalo, pinche cagón. Para la calle. Hey, that's gonna be a rent. Checo, that's gonna be a rent. You might as well stuck his ass. I know, right? Make it worth it.
How did you get a red? What the fuck?
Hey, te enseño el bar. Juan, te enseño el bar.
Hey, I'm gonna need your shoes.
VAR.
Yeah, comment.
Keep it.
Darcy! Pégale, pégale! Pégale, pégale! ¡Hey! ¡Rosa, y esa no es azul! ¡Ay, mano! Hey, go to the replay, bro.
You want the replay? Robert, what do you think?
I finally got shoes that don't slip, bro.
Hey, those are some nice boots. Shout out Checo.
Yeah. Hey, me las cuidas, pa. I'm leaving.
You're out?
Yeah. I'm not gonna play.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
I gotta go and do it.
Hey, let me tell you something, bro. God really takes his time on some people. Gabe.
Hey, you guys are white people and I'm Mexican. Where should I go eat?
I don't know, man. Nabs. Nabs.
Go to Wildberry.
Oh, shit. The Wildberry is gas.
Yeah, I mean, Man. Nice. Nice. Nice, Angel.
¿Estás lista? Ah, ya voy para allá. Dale. Coco.
Yeah.
Sígala. ¡Pum! Ángela, hace buena. Pégale. Buena Robert. Fácil. You guys don't give it a mingo anymore. ¿Qué pasó, profe?
Estaba moviendo.
No, finish it!
Buena. A mi golpe, mango. Ahí, güey.
¡Pégale!
going here. Don't forget it. Don't worry about it.
I got it, dude. I got you. Good shit, baby.
Damn. Because I had Checo shoes, I couldn't score.
I know, dude. Some nasty ass hand, boy. What the fuck?
Hey, don't leave that there. Somebody grab it. Who is it?
Hey, who dropped 100?
Who dropped 100?
Ahorita todos.
Shit. Hey, that's for us.
Who dropped 100?
This? Yeah. Your hat too? What's up, bro? Yeah.
Yeah. I was. You only throw 100 bills. Hey, why didn't you send this?
Ay, qué bueno el rico, güey. Yo, pa. Man of the match.
Man of the match?
Man of the match.
Where?
Checo.
Checo.
Hey, you guys agarraron la bag de las jerseys?
Oh,
You game, bro.
The jersey, don't forget them.
Always on some shit, dude.
This time you guys.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Sí, with his big ass shot. El árbitro.
Oh my god.
Can I get my sugar? Papi, it keeps high quality in this. Get out used to that. Pinche güey, nomás derecha lo güey, man. ¿Cuánto jugaste? ¿3 minutos? ¿Puedo entrar al empujón, güey? Bro, yes.
Hey, this shit's gonna die, by the way.
Era plan con maña, güey.
I'm gonna run it.
Hey, tu shot. Hey, tu shot.
It was bad today. What?
I believe you, bro.
Hey, but the defending was on point though.
Mingo, how do you play those? Bro, we showed him the highlight. It just shows I go like this. I mean, kind of hard, but still.
Are we paying ref? Oh, I pay ref?
Get the camera down.
Vente para acá, Andy.
Parecemos putos, güey, la neta. Oh, you're shotgunning.
I already told you guys.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna enjoy it too, but he's shotgunning.
Dude, this is how you enjoy it.
Let's see.
Rip this bitch like it's no. Let me know how it tastes like.
This what white people do, dude.
God damn.
Smell on this?
Hey. That was fast.
Really good.
Smell on this?
God damn.
Oh, this is fire, bro.
You gotta do it again because I didn't catch it.
Oh, this one's good.
Oh, this one's fire.
What is that?
The mango. Oh my god. This one's fire.
Hey, you got the paloma?
Yeah.
Oh, bro,
This
the
is paloma.
paloma's
No,
good.
this is
Try it.
margarita.
The mango.
Let me get sick.
Hey, do another one.
Bro, mango smells fire.
Hey, someone gives me another one.
The mango sí huele bien chingón. Yeah, there you go. I ordered them. Ya se la acabaron, güey.
Oh, yeah?
Mango has some, pero no quiere compartir el culo.
Or do you want to try it?
Yeah, this one actually.
Should I do it again?
Yeah, hell yeah. That's what I'm
Do you want to try it though?
For Gatos.
Do you want to try it?
Let me try it.
Just save them a little bit at the end.
That one's
What the fuck? That's nasty as hell. Boy, what the hell are you talking about?
doesn't even say
Made it already? The whole?
No.
Do you want me to? No, suck it out the hole. Suck it out the hole. No homo. What the fuck?
3, 4.
Sorry.
I take 3 or 4 of these. I'm gonna try to fuck Angel.
You gonna do another one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hold on, wait.
Holy
You should
shit.
Try it first. Don't record me yet.
Well, if I have another
Why?
Oh.
No, you can kill it. You can kill
All
it.
right, we're good.
All right, wait.
Oh, very good.
¿El mango? Oh, yeah, this is tan buena, bro.
Gotta make the hole decent.
Wait.
Quiero 3 seconds, wait.
Ready?
Set, go. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4.
God damn. Fuck. Not even me.
Pero ya, amigos, tóxicos, sí la hicieron chingona, güey.
These are fire.
Sí las hicieron chingonas los primeros. Rica. No. Oh, Rico. Oh, tú tienes.
Hey.
I'm the oldest. How old are you?
30.
31.
Yeah,
Oh, old ass, dude.
Hijo de la verga. Mango está chingona,
Yeah, the mango's the best one.
Did they all get in that one car?
Mango, sí, güey. No, todavía no traigo.
These are fire, bro.
Sí, güey.
Hey,
Yeah.
Fire. Oh, it's brand new?
2026, really?
yeah, less than 1,000 miles on it, right?
I got it with 11. We're not driving.
I don't know whose car this is.
It's good.
We're traveling, bro.
We came to visit someone in the
Stupid ass.
There's no parking.
This is the one. You
Yeah.
took 2 of these, right?
Yeah, it's decent. Huh? Oh, I know.
Mango one is fire, right?
So
Mango one's a 10.
So CEDA's was right.
The mango, sí,
It was
güey.
like an 8. Pretty good too. Yeah.
Sí, goat, dice.
No, this one's good.
That one's good too.
Thanks.
I think the Paloma might be the most ass.
No, güey.
Did you try
I
it?
go mango, paloma, lime. That's just me, though.
I go mango, paloma, mango, margarita.
What is it? Mango. No mames, mi azulito sounded like that.
No, it did not, dude. Not that bad.
Why you told them?
Did it because we were
Do we need more?
Shout out, amigos tóxicos. Mango, you guys spelled it right.
Yeah.
See, goat, nailed it.
Yep.
You know.
There was one slow ass
What about
mango,
that I had to,
paloma,
like,
lime.
fucking
What about the game?
YouTube real quick. That shit
Oh,
fucking
we played good today.
Yeah, you played good.
No, I didn't play good. I played.
Who's the man of the match?
Man of the match was Sergio.
Yeah.
Shout out Checo.
Shout out Checo, dude.
No llega for like 4 weeks. He read a card
Bro,
right
I
away.
texted him. I'm like, bro,
Yep.
can you go, please?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, no,
Alright.
according to him,
Thank you,
yesterday he went out and he said, bro, I drank a
On that note,
Hey, cheers, amigos tóxicos. It's good.
He's like, I don't know.
See you guys in the next one on Thursday.
Oh, wait, I said that?
Hey.
Five.